Good evening, everyone. Um, First of all, I would like to say that I am so extremely delighted to be a part of this special evening that is dedicated to the celebration of the success of GATE 2020 and 2021. So, first and foremost, Professor Rajesh, I would like to congratulate you because just Vision Gate was started just 4 years ago. And year after year, you've been producing results that are astounding. Your students have been performing really well. And the results that we are getting are a testament to how hard you have worked to get Vision Gate to where it is today. Congratulations on getting AIR 2 in 2020 and AIR 1 now. We didn't get a chance to celebrate our success last year, and we got a single digit rank. We got such a great rank. And I'm so happy that we have more than compensated for it with such an amazing celebration today. Secondly, I would like to give a shout out to the batch of 2020. We were the unfortunate few who didn't even get a chance to celebrate the feat that was last year. And yet, look at us, a year later, standing strong in the face of a global pandemic and going through the curriculum of one of the most esteemed institutions of the country at the comfort of our homes. So when this started a year ago, I always felt that why does my batch always have to be so cursed and we have to go through all of this? Why can't we just be there in college? We could be having fun, you know? We could be, and we could be motivated. We could keep each other motivated. We could ask doubts. We could do projects together. We could have fun together. We could go to Samir Hills, Powai Lake. And I live in Mumbai. I can't even go to Powai Lake. So I felt, I felt like we were cursed that way. But everything is a blessing in disguise, and as is this. हमको घर बैठे बैठे IIT की डिग्री मिल रही है, and we will get through with flying colors even at the end of this. And lastly, a huge shout out to the batch of 2021. I don't know how you all did it, but you all kept yourself motivated throughout the year. You all attended online lectures with sir, and in such a year, in such dire circumstances, Vision Gate has gotten AIR 1. So a huge round of applause for 2021. Words will not be able to do justice to what I feel about Vision Gate and mostly about Rajesh sir, but here's my attempt. I actually passed out in 2018, and at that point, I was a horrible student. I really would not understand what was going on, and I was very heavily reliant on the previous year questions. At that point, Ajitem, who is now in IIT Guwahati and is very well placed and is doing really great, we were both from the same college. So even he took a break after 2018 to prepare for GATE in 2019. And he joined Vision Gate. And he told me time and again that it is not too late, you can still join Vision Gate. But I was adamant and I said that no, I think I'm capable of doing this on my own. So I prepared for a year, I really did, or so I thought. And I used to study, I used to put in the hours, but it's only when I came to Vision Gate when I realized what all are the things that I actually lacked. And then I studied, and then I gave GATE in 2019, and then I went to my sister's place in Bangalore, for a vacation because I thought I'd worked so hard for a year. I went there, and you know how the response sheet releases a week after. And then I entered my number in the response sheet, and I saw that I had gotten some like 46 or 48 marks, and my rank was already really bad. And usually your ranks in what you get there is a very humble lower bound of what your rank can be. It can actually shoot way up. So I knew कि यार निकल गया, ये साल निकल गया, कुछ नहीं होने वाला वापस. And I was very dejected. I started crying. I felt like an absolute failure. I took 1 year, I took my parents in confidence, and I told them that I'm taking this year and I'll do it this time. But I didn't. So then I called sir from Bangalore, and he told me that, okay, you come to me and you meet me. So on 15th February 2019, I'd come back to Mumbai, and the same day I came to the Thane Center of Vision Gate. I met Sir. I'd come with my beautiful mom, and so he asked us that, okay, so this is the situation that you're in. What do you want to do next? So I said, Sir, I want to clear Triple IT Hyderabad exam. Just get me through Triple IT Hyderabad. So he said that, are you considering giving GATE again? My mother and I looked him in the eye and said no categorically, that this is not going to happen. And I sat for my first class, which was the Triple IT Hyderabad preparatory class, and it had the students of the 2019 batch. Believe you me, what that class did to me was show me in so many ways of all the things that I lacked, all the things that my preparation lacked that I had done in the past 1 year. And so everything aside, that was the class that where I realized I did not clear GATE in 2019 because of my own fault. It was not luck. It was not because of luck. It was not because of anything else. It was because of my own flaws. After that, that day, when I went back home, I actually started crying because, because I had to blame myself. Sorry for that. I had to blame myself for everything that happened. Then, a few days later, Sanket Purandare, who's Sir's student, he got AIR 25 in his first attempt, and he studied in ISC Bangalore, and he's currently pursuing his PhD from Harvard. So, when he'd come, I'm so sorry. So he gave a speech. It wasn't really a speech, it was his own journey and his journey with his friends in Vision Gate. I cried again, and I didn't even tell my parents first. I went to Sir and I told him that, Sir, मैं से नहीं, मेरे को इस तरह Triple IT Hyderabad नहीं करना है. I want to do this properly and I want to get into an IIT, जो भी जैसे भी अभी. And then he said, talk to your parents. I didn't know how to ask them for another year again. So I went home and I just sat with my parents and I told them that I want to do this again. And initially both my parents were a little like, okay, you said the same thing last year, and it was a very emotional day for all of the three of us, because that day, trust me, we were going through trying times. But my parents believed in me so much that with no reason, they gave me another year and they just said that we believe in capabilities and we want you to achieve everything that you think you deserve. Yeah. So post that, everything was done, all the emotional stuff. And after that, I very sincerely prepared. And in the right stride. I used to come to class early in the morning, irrespective of whether anybody else were present or not. I used to study in the class day in, day out. And at that point, when we were preparing for Triple IT Hyderabad, I still remember Bharti, Farida, Veerti, and Shukra, and Sushant, and all of us used to sit and prepare for Triple IT Hyderabad. And even Pratik was there. And so in the initial few months, I was just unlearning all the wrong things that I'd learned, and I started studying the right way. And after that, Manasvi had taken admission in Vision Gate, and we used to sit and we used to study together every single day for many, many hours. Then in the end of April, I had Triple IT Hyderabad, and a week after, I had ISI Calcutta's written exam. I did not know how well or how badly it had gone. I just gave my attempt, and it turned out that I had cleared both of those exams in the written. In June, I had interviews for both of those about 2 or 3 days apart, and I went to Triple IT Hyderabad, gave the interview, came back. I went to ISI Calcutta, and I gave the interview, came back. And trust me, when the panel was sitting here, And Nishad asked them that what is the moment that you felt that you got an appreciation from sir and you will never forget it. So Darshit actually said that when he used to get a beautiful approach of solving a problem, and sir used to say beautiful, excellent, that is what stuck with him. That moment for me was when I came back from Calcutta to Mumbai and I came to class. Yavnika, Manasvi, myself, and Ashish were standing, and sir was standing there, and he literally told them that this girl has worked so hard, and look, she's cleared both the interviews, and he was really happy for me, and I think that moment I'll never ever forget. And through the year, along with Sir and all of my friends, we prepared day in and day out. And it was not even stressful because we had so much fun doing it. We used to laugh, we used to giggle, we used to eat food together. Even while eating food, sometimes we used to discuss problems. And even while discussing problems, we used to have fun. So it was a whole journey of personal growth. And I need to say this, that there is so much during the GATE preparation that helped me not just academically, but also personally. And I felt like I had so much personal growth in the last year. And then finally, one day before the exam in February, Sir and I live on the same Trans Harbour line. So we were going back home a day before, and Sir really was trying to give me a pep talk saying that, listen, every time you sit for an exam, you let your personal flaws come in. You get scared for no reason, and because of that, you miss out on certain details, और तुम्हारा answer थोड़े से गलत हो जाता है. Make sure you don't do such things. On the day of the exam, so after the exam was over, I came out of the exam thinking that if there's anything wrong that I could do, I probably did it. And we were all really scared. I remember I went back to Manasvi's home, and we were actually discussing the solutions to the answers till very late that night with Sir. And my mom was very worried. Okay, so she used to call Sir to ask, okay, what's up? How is this girl done? And initially he had to ignore her calls because he's like, oh my God, how am I going to face this woman now? A few days later, the response sheet came, and it turned out that I'd performed well. But Sir always told this to my parents even later, that your girl did all the possible mistakes that she could on that day, and had she not, she would have gotten a much better rank. So I have so many emotions associated with this institute. Sir, throughout the year, used to pay so much attention to me to ensure that I'm such a weak student and that I should work hard and I should get through, and he has done so much for me that I don't think I can thank you enough for everything you've done for me, sir. But thank you so much. And none of the amazing things that have happened to me in the past year would have been possible without you. Thank you. Thank you. And Amma, you are the light of my life. I'm nothing without you. And thank you for putting up with me even in the past year. You work harder than anybody else. And you deserve everything in the world. And I hope I'm able to give it to you. And thank you for making the best food. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.